Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing United Airlines Flight 6090 from Cleveland to Houston International Airport. That's the George Bush International Airport. This flight is in first class on the Embraer 175 on United. Yeah, not different really from other Embraer 175s with American or Delta. But a couple things I did notice on this one. Well, this wasn't one of them. I mean, the leg room is pretty standard among first class and on all of those airlines in the Embraer 170, 175 airplane. Here's the tray table half folded, and there's the tray table fully deployed. You see that stuff in the middle. And right there, you can see it looks like a grease mark. And really no excuse. And here's a little more detail what I was talking about in the middle of the tray table. Just this plane sat overnight. It arrived in Cleveland the night before, so really no excuse as to why this wasn't cleaned. Probably one of the dirtier planes I've seen of late, with all the cleaning focus and emphasis going on. And here's the pull-out drink tray that's in the middle of between the seats there. There's the power source, which is one thing I do like about this power source, because it is between the seats and it's not on the angle of the seat. Therefore, you can plug your device in and you don't have to worry about it falling off. There's the vents above you and the light and flight attendant call button. So if you want to skip the takeoff, you can go to the 2-minute and 54-second mark, and I will see you then. To the sky, and now we're taking a look at the bathroom on the Embraer 175, which again is like any other bathroom you'd see on these planes. I mean, not too much customization between airlines in this plane that I've seen to this point. You know, they're really essentially the same with a few differences. Now, the service on this flight is a snack box. The Embraers don't have ovens, so during normal times, I can't imagine that this would have been a hot food anyway, because it might have been more like a snack basket. But here's the contents in the snack box. You got the garlic breadsticks, rustic bakery crackers, some sea salt roasted almonds, the bruschetta spread, tomato and oregano, which is really good. I hate olives, so I passed on that. Got some hummus. The Sanders Favorites dark chocolate with sea salt on top, caramel inside, which was really good, and some chewy ginger candy, which was actually good. I'm a fan of ginger. That was the meal service on this flight. I mean, really, the thing that stuck out on this flight for me, well, two things. I mean, one was good, and one, well, I showed you the one thing about the cleanliness of the plane. To me, just absolutely no excuse for not having this plane clean when it sits overnight. I mean, I can understand when they're trying to make quick turns and it's going back to a destination in the same day. I can kind of get that, but you know, the way these airlines pledge the cleanliness of their product and, you know, the germs they're killing and such, yeah, that doesn't look good to me. It's not good optics. But the good thing about the flight, and it wasn't the snack box. I mean, snack box was okay, but was the captain. Captain Marco, before taking off, he came through and yeah, cracked some jokes. I mean, not only with the first class passengers, but those in economy as well. And I always think it's nice when a captain steps out and shoots the breeze with customers. And I think it shows the passion that they have for the job, and that they enjoy what they're doing. So that was my review of the Embraer 175 first class on United, flight 6090 from Cleveland to George Bush International Airport in Houston. If you enjoyed this review, please hit the like button. If you absolutely loved it and want to see more of this type of content, please subscribe. Thank you.